Alright folks, this is your motorcycle. You need to ride it, right? So how do you ride it? You need to mount the bike. How do you mount a bike? Can you just get on the bike and it's going to work? You need to do it the right and proper way. I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Okay, as you can tell, the kickstand is only on the left side. See my fingers making L? Those of you guys who are having trouble with that, this would be my left hand side. Okay, left, right, left. Okay, the bike is tilted to my left hand side. Why? Because of the kickstand. It is leaning on the kickstand for support, so it won't go anywhere. So does it make a good idea to mount the bike from the right side? No. Why? Because I have to travel over more of a height to put myself on the bike, potentially pushing my bike on the other side and making my bike fall over. So what you need to do is always mount the bike from the left side. You're going to walk up to your kickstand, plant your left leg down with your right leg, throw it over the seat, and plant it on the other side if you can do that. This is what it looks like. Plant, throw over, touch. I'm now on the bike. There's one thing I need to do before I'm successfully on the bike. That is to get it upright. Do you remember in my primary videos, or if you've already not seen it, let's go through that again. Your clutch, pull it in. The bike won't go anywhere. Your brakes, pull it in. Your bike won't roll anywhere. With your left foot, push off on your left foot, push up and away from your body. Like you don't want to see your foot anymore, alright? I'm gross by it. Push off on your left foot, and while you do that, pull the bike with your handlebars towards the other side until it gets to the centermost point. Watch. Okay? My bike is now in the center. If I let go, I can move my bike with my hips. You see that? My bike is in the centermost position. Now I'm ready to ride. I go through by find C and I start her up. Turn your key, pull in the clutch, make sure the kill switch is off, it is off, and start her up.